How to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing 2026 kind. We've all been there. You go to search for something on Instagram, and as soon as you type a single letter, the app suggests an account you'd really rather forget. Whether it's an ex, an old hobby, or just a random profile you clicked once, these typing suggestions can feel like they're haunting your search bar. Today, I'm going to show you how to clear that memory and stop Instagram from predicting your every keystroke so your search experience stays private and relevant. Hi everyone! Instagram's search algorithm is designed to be helpful, but it's often a little too good at remembering your past activity. In this tutorial, we are going to cover the 3 levels of cleaning your search history. From removing individual names to a full account reset to make sure those awkward suggestions stop popping up. Step 1. The quick tap and hold. This is the fastest way to get rid of a specific suggestion while you're actually typing. Simply tap the search bar and type the first letter of the name you want to hide. When the suggestion appears in the list below, tap and hold on that specific name. A menu will pop up. Simply select Hide or Remove. This tells the algorithm you no longer want to see this specific account in your quick suggestions. Step 2. Clearing recent searches. If you have a lot of suggestions cluttering your screen, it's time for a deep clean. Go to your profile, tap the 3 lines for settings and activity, and go to your activity. From there, tap Recent Searches and select Clear All. This wipes your visible search history, which is the primary source Instagram uses to generate those typing predictions. Step 3. Resetting the suggested cache. Sometimes, even after clearing your history, Instagram still suggests people based on your interactions. To fix this, you need to clear your app cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps, Instagram, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, you'll need to offload the app in your iPhone's storage settings and reinstall it. This forces the app to refresh its internal predicted list. Here is an expert pro tip. If you want to prevent an account from ever appearing in your suggestions again without blocking them, you can restrict the profile. This keeps them off your suggested list and hides their activity from your feed, all while keeping your following status intact. To wrap things up, you don't have to live with a cluttered search bar. By using the tap and hold method and clearing your activity data, you can keep your Instagram search history fresh and private. If this helped you clean up your app, please give this video a like and subscribe for more social media privacy tips. What's one feature you wish Instagram would let you turn off for good? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.